Greetings, future riders and adventure seekers. I'm Holly and you're watching Holly's Cafe Racer today. And we're going to explore the exhilarating world of motorcycling and discuss 5 compelling reasons why you should consider starting your journey on 2 wheels. Trust me, it's going to be a good one. Get ready to be inspired and take the first step towards a life-changing experience. So, here's my first reason why you should jump on a bike and start riding today. It gives you unmatched freedom and exploration. Motorcycling offers an unparalleled sense of freedom and exploration with the wind in your hair, if you have hair, and the open road ahead you. You can go anywhere your heart desires. Seriously, whether it's a scenic countryside, twisting mountain roads, one of my favorites, or bustling city streets, not per se, but a motorcycle gives you the freedom to explore the world like never before. Trust me. Now, there's another reason. Some people might say that I'm speaking against myself, but hear me out on this. It's a thrilling adrenaline rush. Yes, for those who crave an adrenaline rush, yeah, there's no experience quite like riding a motorcycle, I can tell you that. The feeling of power between your legs, the acceleration, and the cornering of a motorcycle are like no other. 100%. It's a rush of excitement that can be easily replicated by other modes of transport, but nah, I'm speaking against myself. It can't be easily replicated by other modes of transport. It's just motorbiking and that's it. Now, here's a third one, which you might consider because it's going to save you money. Yes, fuel efficiency and cost saving. Yeah, motorcycles are not only thrilling, but also cost effective as well. With their smaller engines and reduced weight, motorcycles are incredibly fuel efficient. You'll spend less at the pump and on maintenance compared to most cars, whether you believe it or not. On the plus side, many places offer motorcycle parking incentives, which can save you time and money. Come on, at the end of the day, more money in your pocket, more riding on the road. What can be better? Well, what can be better? Our merch store. Yes, shameless plug from shameless YouTuber. Guys, we gotta start running this channel to the top, and for that we need funds. So we came up with this idea. You guys check out the link in the description, check out our merch store, buy something from there, and we're going to use the money to buy better gear and provide more videos for you. So if you like this content and you want to support this channel, make sure you check out the accessories, the gear, linked in the description. Beautiful merch created by enthusiasts to enthusiasts. So if you have a friend or family member that you want to surprise for Christmas, for Valentine's Day, or whatever, birthday, go ahead, check it out. I'm pretty sure that they're going to love it. Now, let's get back to our subject today, because here's reason number 4 why you should start riding a motorbike today, and that is obviously the biggest one: community and camaraderie. Yes, motorcycling is not just a hobby, it is a community. Don't forget that. When you become a rider, you join a diverse and welcoming group of individuals who share your passion. Yeah, that's true. Come on. If you do that today, I'm sure you will feel the camaraderie among motorcyclists that it's unlike any other. With clubs, events, or gatherings, they create a lasting bond and lasting friendships. I can tell you that from personal experience. So, last but not least, okay, this is something that I keep telling my friends, family members, that this is basically the biggest one why I started, the biggest reason why I started riding a bike: stress relief and mental well-being. I'm pretty sure the comment section is gonna blow up right here and right now with stories of endless, happenings. Do you know what? Riding a motorcycle can be a powerful stress reliever. 100%. It is a powerful stress reliever. The focus and mindfulness required while riding, is going to help you disconnect from the pressures of your everyday life. That's what I do. When shit goes out of the drain, I just, jump on my motorcycle and ride in the rain. Wow, that rhymed. Okay, now, I digress. The sense of adventure and the feeling of being one with the machine can be a therapeutic escape, promoting mental well-being. There's no better way to put it. You just jump on a goddamn motorbike and you will feel stress leaving you behind while you just... Oh my god. Oh, I get goosebumps. You know what? Allow me to close this loop real quick. So, starting your motorcycling journey is an opportunity to embrace freedom. Experience an adrenaline rush like no other. Seriously, save on fuel, which is good. Save on maintenance costs, of course. And the biggest and most important of them all, join a welcoming community and enhance your mental well-being. There's only gains in here, right? It's not just a mode of transportation like many people believe. It's a lifestyle and a source of endless excitement and fulfillment. So, if you enjoyed today's highlighted 5 compelling reasons why you should start motorcycling. Whether you are a seasoned rider or considering your first ride, make sure that you share this with somebody who you think should hear this video, this message. In the meantime, I'm just going to remind you again, yes, I know, that we have a merch store. Don't forget to check that out. Links will be left for you in the description. Make sure you check out the merch store, buy something for you or for your loved ones, support the channel, and have something amazing to wear and show your love. Now, if this has piqued your interest, take the leap and embark on your own two-wheeled adventure. But until next time, stay safe and enjoy the thrill of the ride.